Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a small Walmart grocery haul and a small Family Dollar haul. So if you're interested to see what I got, just keep watching. Alright, so let's start off with this little guy here. I needed some mustard and we ran out. And I was craving the spicy brown mustard instead of just, you know, your regular basic yellow mustard. So I got that. We ran out of blue cheese dressing, so I picked up the Wishbone chunky blue cheese, and this is a staple in our house. We like to enjoy this with, you know, chicken wings and use it for like a dipping sauce. I also ran out of some Parmesan cheese, so I picked up the Great Value grated Parmesan cheese. I have a recipe that I'm going to be making, so I picked up the Great Value teriyaki sauce. Also, for another recipe, I picked up the Great Value chicken broth reduced sodium. For a recipe, I picked up this potato gnocchi. I picked up this Betty Crocker Bisquick Shake and Pour buttermilk pancake mix for Ava because she had it at my sister's house and she really liked it. And for a recipe, I picked up this instant corn masa flour. One of my favorite cereals is the Kellogg's Frosted Mini Wheats. I also picked up this kielbasa for a recipe. Mariah loves Polly-O string cheese, the mozzarella string cheese. So I picked up this 24 pack for her. I also picked up one container of the Minute Maid pulp-free orange juice. Orange juice does have a lot of sugar in it. I like to have it occasionally, you know, as a treat for when like all of us aren't working and we're all together as a family and I cook a really nice breakfast. Ava and I, we love orange juice, like we love it. I just, you know, I put a little splash in my water and that's how I drink my orange juice. And of course, Ava as a kid, she likes, you know, orange juice with all the sugar, but we don't drink it all the time. But we really, really love orange juice. So just got one container of that. I was already at the checkout and I saw that they had like paper towels on the end cap there, and I was like, crap, I forgot I need you know, hand paper towels. So I didn't want to have to get out of line, go all the way to the section and lose my place in line. So I just grabbed one of these, and you only get 88 sheets in here, but I paid 50 cents. I also picked up some bath towels from the Mainstays. So I got this one here, it's a red color, and then I got Ava a pink color. I also picked myself up some facial wipes. You get 40 in here. This is for sensitive skin, and I like it because it has vitamin E, chamomile, and aloe vera in it. Lately I've been using aloe vera on my skin and it's been really calming down my rosacea, kind of making my skin feel a little bit more smoother. I also picked up some toilet paper from the Great Value. You get 8 rolls in here. I also picked up the Glade Candles 2 value pack, and this is the Hopeful 2-in-1 Jubilant Rose and Lavender and Peach Blossom. Smells really, really nice. It's like, it has like that scent of like floral but fruity at the same time, but very, very fresh. I'm starting to spring clean, so I just want to get more floral and fresh scents when it comes to like candles or like plug-ins and stuff like that. Also from Glade, I picked up this 5-pack Wine Breeze refills. I was trying to get some like spring scents from the Better Home and Gardens wax melts, and my Walmart didn't really have, you know, a lot to choose from. So I did pick up just one, and this is the Lemon Basil, and I really like this scent. It's just very fresh. I don't know, something about having that basil scent in it makes it like feel like spring. I picked up one of the Mainstays candles. This is the Garden Rain, and this smells so good. It smells very fresh and clean, and I paid $3.33 for this, and it's a 3-wick candle. So spring will be coming soon, and I wanted to add some little touches and some gardening to my patio. So I picked up 2 of these solar lights, and they're so pretty. I just love how they're round and they have that crackle effect to it, and they're very sturdy. They don't feel flimsy. I have been wanting some solar string lights for our patio for like the longest time. So I picked up the Better Homes and Gardens string lights. You get 20 count here, it's 20 feet. Also from Walmart, I picked up this Jiffy Natural and Organic Seed Starting Mix. I'm going to be planting some veggies and herbs in my garden, so I needed some pots, and my Walmart really didn't have a lot, and if they did, they were either cracked or broken. So I picked up 2 small ones. I paid $1.42 for each, and then I picked up 1 large one that wasn't cracked or broken, and I paid $3.24 for that. Oh, I forgot, guys, I also picked up some cat litter. I picked up the Purina Tidy Cats Clumping Litter. I like the cat litter that has the clumping effect to it. This is the 24/7 Performance Triple Odor Protection. I paid $8.78. However, I do like a no-name brand that I get from ShopRite, and I only pay like $6 for it, and it's a clumping litter, and it works really well. One is unscented, one has like a lavender scent. But if you guys have any suggestions on a really good cat litter that clumps, let me know. Okay, so from Family Dollar, I picked up some cleaning things that I needed to start my spring cleaning. I picked up, of course, my favorite. I love Glade. I did pick up the Glade air freshener in the scent Crisp Waters. Smells really nice, clean, and fresh. I also picked up a candle from Interiors, and this is the Stormy Nights. It smells really nice. I picked up one of the Clorox disinfecting wipes, and you get 35 wet wipes in here. I ran out of dish soap, so I picked up one of the Palmolive Ultra Strength Instantly Cuts Through Grease, and this is in a 32.5 fluid ounce. I also picked up some Pine Sol. I love this scent. It's just a multi-surface cleaner, great for bathrooms, for floors, your kitchen. I did pick up the Arm & Hammer OxiClean Dirt Fighter Pet Fresh Carpet Odor Eliminator. And I picked up one of the Swiffer Dry and Wet Sweeping Kit. And to go with that, I got the Swiffer Sweeper Wet Mopping Cloths, and you only get 12 in here. So that is what I got at Walmart and Family Dollar. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for taking the time out to watch, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one.